Dear students, in this video I am going to explain how to write name of ions and ionic compound with variable valency. For example, if we take element like copper, it can show two valencies, Cu plus 1 and Cu plus 2. Name of this ion will be cuprous and name of this ion will be cupric. If any element can show two valencies, the lower one here, for example, two valencies are there, plus 1 and plus 2, lower one is plus 1. Then the name of ion with lower valency is written with OUS at the end of name. OUS, three letters are there. OUS differentiate these two names. This name will be for lower valency and this IC is used for those ions which have higher valency. Copper can have two valencies, therefore higher valency will be written in the name by writing ICA at the end, and lower one is written with plus 1, means here it is lower one, therefore it will be written as a cuprous. This is the one way of writing name of such ions which can show two valencies. Lower one is with OUS and higher one is with IC. Other name is also there, and that name is according to new conventions. IUPAC governs rules for that such type of compounds and other things for the chemistry. This is the name according to old concept or old convention, but according to new convention, the name of ion must be written with their valency. For example, this atom is copper. This is copper, and name of this ion will be written as copper first. Copper first. Why? Because according to new convention, the name of metal is written in the same way in the name of ion also, but the valency should be written within the bracket just after name in the Roman letter. One valency means one Roman letter, that is first, and the second, that is copper, within bracket just after name we can write second here. This second stands for copper in higher oxidation state, means plus 2. This is the name according to new convention. We can take some more examples also to discuss this. I am taking some more examples for writing name of such ions. Here I am taking one more element like Hg, mercury, and the valencies which is shown by Hg will be plus 1 and second valency will be plus 2. We can write simply 1 plus, or we can write plus 1 here in this way. Now in the same way, according to old concept, we can write name of these ions as mercurous. OUS should be at the last for the lower valency shown by the atom. And Hg2 positive is named as mercuric. But according to new convention, according to latest convention, the name will be mercury first. Mercury first for this, and for this ion name will be mercury second. This is the name for the new convention for this ion. Now I am taking some more examples. For example, Fe. Fe means iron, and it can also show two valencies, Fe plus 2, and second one is Fe plus 3. Therefore, according to old concept of naming ions, the name of this will be ferrous. As I already explained, I have explained that for those ions which are shown by any metal and the ion which have lower valency, out of that will be written as OUS, means ferrous, OUS, and for this name will be ferric. Again I am explaining that rule. If two valencies are shown by any atom or element, then the valency which is lower one, for such ion name will be written as, by writing OUS just after name, ferrous, OUS, and for the higher one we should write IC like ferric. And the new name, new notation, that will be iron. It is a iron, and just after name write the valency. For example, I am writing name of this ion in new concept, therefore iron, and within bracket we must write the valency shown by that ion. Plus 2 means in Roman letter second, within bracket we should write in this way. The name of this ion will be iron second, and in the same way for this ion name will be iron and valency is 3. So within bracket just after name we should write in Roman letter 3, third. This is the way of writing name according to new convention, and this is the way of writing name with old convention. But both are correct. In any type of name, means in any type of question, any name can be given. Name can be given in this way as well as in this way. Therefore, you must know both type of names.